This is our class on geology. So we are going to make geology into theology. Yeah. Jesus said, "You are rock, on this rock
I am building my church."
Yeah, we need to study about rocks. Then how are you going to interpret about church? So Jesus was a geologist, 40 days in the wilderness. Wilderness is about stones. Stones. Mark, the Gospel of Mark, chapter 1, verse 15, states that Jesus went 40 days into the wilderness and he was with wild beasts. Yes. 40 days means from age 12 to 30, 18 years he was with these blessings. This was created by his father. Don't think stones have no value. They have value. It is known as the intrinsic value. Also instrumental value. How much stones we value, in our building purposes, construction work. These are resources. But we are misunderstood. And we are using them for our human interest. But these stones should be returned into nature. Very happy to be in the philosophical section of Oblates of Mary Immaculate in Perambakkam. This is a group who collected these samples of soil right here. So there are different kinds of soil. There are 12 categories of soil in the natural world today, like adisol, vertisol, mollisol, all kinds of soil, 12 of them. But Jesus has identified 4 of them in the gospel, in the parable of the sower. Yeah? One is that is the clay. He called it the wayward soil. That means the path. People walk and they press the soil so much it is hardened. There is no water has gone out because of the pressure. Air also gone. Both are very important for the growing of crops. They need water and air. So when you take both of them out, the roots can't go inside. That's why Jesus told the birds of the air came and ate them. Finished. No growth. And then he came to sand. See, it's the sand. Sand is small particles of a stone. It doesn't have anything to hold and retain water. Water will be evaporated. And air is there, but when you put some plants here, the seed will grow, but the same sand will be heated up by the sun and completely the crops will die out because of the heat, because there is no moisture, there is no water content. So they will start to grow. As they grow, they will die. The third soil, Jesus was talking about humus. This is the humus. That is a bushy soil. This soil contains more carbon and nutrients. It's made up of leaves and animal waste. Most of the microscopic bacteria is produced in this part of the humus. Actually, humus is the word where humans come from. The Hebrew word for humus is Adama. That is the Hebrew word for soil, Adama. So Adam came from Adama. So human being came from soil, Adama. That's why we are known as human beings. The word comes from humus. So then the last loamy soil, Jesus says, good soil. Good soil. which produced 60, 80, 100%. Yes. So that soil is the combination of all this. Combination of everything. The clay, the sand, the humus makes loamy, L-O-A-M-Y. We call it arable soil, which is suitable for growing crops full of microorganisms like earthworms. They contain a lot of life. So actually what you are looking at, it is not a commodity, it is a community. Because in soil millions of microorganisms coexist as a community. So today we put so much of fertilizer, chemicals, and a lot of poison pumped into soil, and a lot of microorganisms are disappearing from the soil. So we are making soil, a living soil into dead soil. Actually we are created from the soil itself. The Bible says, the Lord God took the soil and He breathed inside and man became a living being. So we came directly from this. Our body contains this. Every life on earth is made out of soil. The Bible says, O man, you came from soil, you shall return to soil. That is the ultimate saying. That is our state of existence. We return to soil. So this soil should be preserved. We shouldn't we shouldn't abuse soil. Genesis 2:15, Genesis chapter 2:15 verse. God created first humans and He gave them a mandate. He told them, till it and keep it. Till it and keep it. That means you use the land, don't abuse it, preserve it. Till it, you can take whatever you want from the land, but at the same time keep it in working condition for the future generations. Responsibility, faithfulness, accountability, it's a characteristic of human being who is called steward of the earth. We are the stewards of the earth. You should remember that. We are the protectors of all this creation. That's why you become priest, OMI. You missionaries should announce about this biological earth to people. God is present here. He gave and He is present. He is immanent. So we need to come out of the Green Revolution, which made us to pollute with chemicals the soil. So keep the soil holy. People call it, soil is a brown gold. It's gold. That is the saying, brown gold. And also it's called brown theology. What is the theology of land and soil? In Leviticus, we read that the Jubilee year giving rest to the land and soil. Yeah, every 7 years, 1 year rest. Let soil rest. And every 49 years is the Jubilee year. So you give rest at least 2 to 3 years. Don't cultivate. Rest to the soil and the land. Bible is so empathetic when it talks about preservation of the biological world. So this is what our treasure, our pearl. Jesus says, this is the pearl, this is the treasure. When a man finds it, he sells everything and comes and buys it and values it. So this is our wealth of our future generations. We don't have any right to destroy these gifts from God. So later on, when you return to your mission field, this is the thing you should protect and conserve. Pope Benedict XVI wrote in Caritas in Veritate in encyclical, Church has the responsibility to protect soil, water, air as the gifts for the future generations. And Pope Francis, the whole encyclical letter written in 2015, Laudato Si, talks at length about the protection of soil and rock and our biological life, about plants and animals. So the presenters here today, these brothers, they are presented not bad, they collected a lot of samples. It is just an introduction. I just ignited the interest and curiosity. That is the word, curious. Your mind should be curious. A curious mind always searches for the pearls and treasures and learns and educates and wants to learn about it. So curiosity will take you again to soils, to rocks. I think OMI brothers should become soil scientists and also geologists, so that you can combine theology and philosophy and make a eco-theology and present to the people and educate them, awaken them to this beauty. You understand that? So anyway, there is one famous writer called Aldo Leopold. He is the ethic writer, especially land ethic writer. The best writer you could ever have, Aldo Leopold. There are three famous writers. One is David Henry Thoreau. The second one is John Muir. The third one is Aldo Leopold. He writes on land ethics. So his quote is so beautiful. He writes that this is not a commodity, it is a community to which we belong. We are part of soil community because we came out of soil. So as the soil produces good crops, humans also is able to produce good crops because you yourself is an ecosystem. So you can produce beautiful, positive emotions like empathy, compassion, love, tenderness, forgiveness. You can share your crops grown in your heart with others. So I think you need to listen to the quote from Aldo Leopold. So brother will read the quote for you slowly, and let us listen and contemplate on this beautiful writing.
We abuse land because we regard it as a commodity belong to us. When we see land as a community to which we belong, we may begin to use it with love and respect.
Yeah, yes. That is what we need. We should revoke our present generations to cultivate love and respect towards this biological wealth. Again, Pope Francis is writing, if you want to cultivate peace, listen to me carefully, if you want to cultivate peace, protect creation. That's it. If you want to cultivate peace in future, protect this soil. Thank you. God bless.